Welcome to Bike Buzz Pro. Today, we dive deep into the rebirth of one of Honda's most beloved off-road machines, the 2026 Honda XR400R. After years of anticipation, the legendary XR series finally makes a grand return, blending the old-school toughness that riders loved with the advanced performance and technology of modern times. Honda has revived the XR400R not just as a motorcycle, but as a symbol of raw adventure, dependability, and trail dominance. Engine and performance, power that never quits. At the heart of the new XR400R lies a 397 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine, but this time, it's equipped with electronic fuel injection for precise power delivery and improved fuel efficiency. The compression ratio has been increased slightly to give riders better low-end torque, while a reworked exhaust system enhances mid-range punch. Honda has tuned this engine for maximum off-road usability, offering the same rugged power the XR line was known for, but now with smoother acceleration and less vibration. The 5-speed gearbox remains, perfectly suited for trail exploration, sand dunes, and enduro racing. Whether crawling through rocky climbs or blasting across open trails, the XR400R maintains unstoppable momentum with a dependable and responsive throttle feel. Design and build quality, tougher, lighter, sharper. The 2026 XR400R inherits its design DNA from the original XR series but gets a modern overhaul. It features a lightweight aluminum frame that improves rigidity while shaving off nearly 6 kilograms from the previous generation. This makes handling more agile, especially during tight off-road maneuvers. The bodywork sports Honda's new aggressive red and white color scheme, giving it a fierce, competition-ready appearance. A slimmer fuel tank enhances rider control while still offering solid range for long trail days. The seat is resculpted and padded for all-day comfort, while the narrow midsection allows riders to grip the bike better during rough terrain rides. Up front, you'll find a modern LED headlight, a compact tail section, and a digital instrument display showing trip data, gear position, and fuel range. Despite the modern upgrades, Honda has kept the rugged, purpose-built character that made the XR400R legendary. Suspension and handling, confidence on every terrain. Handling is where the XR400R truly shines. Honda equips it with a Showa 43mm inverted front fork and a ProLink rear monoshock, both fully adjustable for rebound and compression. With over 11 inches of travel, this setup absorbs rocks, ruts, and jumps with ease, giving riders unmatched control even on the harshest trails. Comfort and handling, precision in motion. The new R15 is built around Yamaha's race-proven Delta Box frame, known for its stiffness and stability. Paired with upside-down front forks and a linked-type monoshock at the rear, it offers outstanding balance and agility through every corner. Riding ergonomics remain sporty but slightly refined for everyday comfort. The clip-on handlebars and rear-set foot pegs provide a committed position, while the improved seat cushioning makes long rides more bearable. Whether you're slicing through traffic or carving corners on mountain roads, the R15 2025 delivers confidence and control in every move. Braking and suspension, total rider confidence. The 282mm front disc and 220mm rear disc brakes, supported by dual-channel ABS, provide precise stopping power. The suspension setup has been fine-tuned to absorb bumps and maintain stability at high speeds. Combined with lightweight alloy wheels and radial tires, the R15 grips the road like a true track machine. Colors and variants, style meets choice. Yamaha offers the 2025 R15 in multiple bold color options: racing blue, metallic red, dark night, and the special edition Monster Energy MotoGP livery. Each variant reflects Yamaha's racing spirit and stands out with premium finishes and sporty decals. Price and market position. Positioned as a premium 150 cubic centimeter sport bike, the R15 2025 delivers unmatched value for its features and performance. While pricing varies by region, it continues to dominate its class by offering the perfect mix of power, handling, and advanced features at an accessible cost. Verdict: the king returns. The 2025 Yamaha R15 is more than just an update, it's a statement. It proves that you don't need a big engine to experience big thrills. With its cutting-edge design, advanced electronics, and Yamaha's racing heritage, the new R15 stands tall as the ultimate entry-level supersport motorcycle. For riders who crave adrenaline, precision, and reliability, the R15 remains the undisputed champion of its segment. Bike Buzz Pro, your ride, your passion.